Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing well. Let's start our trading session of today. First of forward, always we're always with the Apex Trading Funding here, guys. Trading with our 10 funded accounts, and I'm just moving and sharing the screen, sharing the live in the chat with everyone. I'm gonna do it right now. Live on. So, market is open. Market is open. How are you, Tomato? How are you, Mufti? How are you, Paul? Maybe a range day. Was it yesterday a range day? Because I don't check the market after I close my stream. So I don't know how the market closed yesterday. So I'm gonna have to check that first right now. We don't have any lines, and usually that means the market moved a lot. Daily chart. First we check the daily. Oh my God. Ooh, we came back quite a lot. We already took. Oh, that's nice, guys. We already took yesterday low. That's very interesting. Look at the support area you had here on the daily chart. Perfectly working. So right now we've taken yesterday low already. I'm even more bullish right now. On the 200s at a big level, 200 has been used as well before. You can see it here as well. So about 200s, we are long, guys. If we go to the 1 hour chart, yes, 195, 200s here. I've been used 200, 200, 200. I used them as well once on the opening range here. So above 200s, we're definitely looking for long. Then I'm gonna go put the opening print level of the day. Morning, Fayaz. Good morning, guys. How are you guys? How are you? You're doing well. Tomato, I hope you're doing well. Sorry, guys, for the video code promotion. Sometimes I forget it. Tomato, how are you, Tomato? How are you from the blow up of yesterday? I hope you are back, mentally good, and this is beautiful. We didn't take any freaking high. I mean, I can already risk this 200 here. Quick one. Quick 200 risk there. Yeah, I like it. I'm long already. It's absolutely insane. I'm already long. It's a bit aggressive, but I like this 200. I've been used before. I trade them before the 200s. And if we're above, it's good. If we come right away to close lowers, I'm gonna call myself out. It's making it happen. We didn't take any highs here. That's beautiful. That's one already out. Guys, how are you there? So far, so good. That's great. That's the way. I mean, so far, so good. We can add even another 200. If it wants to fill me again at 200, I would be happy to take it. Okay. Until these highs are not taken, these 200s can work. Yes, if these highs do not get taken, especially because why? ES has taken the lows. So we have some ES possible push, and we were speaking about NQ daily chart. I've already taken the lows of yesterday. Yesterday low are here. This is no, yesterday low. Yes, yesterday low is here. This is after market open. This 23,000. Let me remove the order right now before I forget it. Now that we've taken that highs. Posted chart. Posted chart. Good morning, Mohammed. Posted chart where? Posted chart. Fayaz, I see you. Up to 280.60 for 4 hours fair value gap. Something I hate, but I respect. You, Afonso, guys. What the heck is Afonso? Because Afonso is the fair value gap guy, I remember. We've taken now this high. It's not really taken. For that, you can count it as taken. Not sure. But we're back at 200s. Back. These 200s are there, guys. I'm gonna just wait a little bit before trying to get the longs again. And news today, good question, my friend, good question. Good question. Let's see the news for today. Today is Wednesday, the 6th, nothing. Nothing, no news today. Oh, that's beautiful. I didn't try again the 200. That's beautiful. Oh my God, that's sexy. Sexy things I've done there. Okay, if we come back low, that's beautiful, guys. Very happy I did not attempt the second time. $10.5. In my website where I check, I don't have any fee. Maybe it's somewhere something hopefully less important. But let's see. How are you guys? Apple pushing, Amazon downside, Microsoft downside. Okay, now it kicked me out from my, yeah. Less important news. Okay. That's gonna have chart skew. Down $7 is a great. Your break even. Your break even. And even, yeah, it's all good. Now I'm evaluating what market wants to do. Maybe I'm just gonna wait for the 50 minutes range to get created. I like to use the 50 minutes range as a possible retest of a possible direction, long if it breaks above, short if it breaks lower. Right now, it's a bit of a pain because 200s were the level I was looking for to keep going long. These 23,080 are the main area I'm looking. It confirmed, it took it already. We've not taken any high. That does not count as taking the pre-market high. Instead, ES is a bit weaker. Yeah, got stopped out. I was partially, so now I'm $24 in profit. Okay, my friend, it's good job, guys. Good morning, Eddie. Yeah, it does not seem the day of. For the moment, it's very not an easy day. I might go back to short bias right now, below the 200s and below the opening print level. Okay, I'm looking for shorts. I think we're gonna go back in this area. Even these lows here at 100 might be the way what the market wants to do. We're below the opening print level. ES is just going lower. Yeah, we can shift it quick. We can shift it quick. I just want to have why. Okay, I have it. Come on. Give me a second, guys. I'm coming back. Okay. I'm looking for shorts. I'm size a liar. Second pass. I'm size a liar. He spent 23 seconds now. Guys, now I'm ready. I'm ready for that short. I'm freaking wild chart. I'm trying to click on the. Okay, my wild chart is blocked. Need to reload. Went long and out in prop. Yeah, man, that's the way. I'm looking for this shorty bias here. And 170, even the 60 can be interesting right now for the short. I just want to load the freaking chart of NQ. Okay, now it's loading. Ooh, it's quite bullish on the web chart. We're very bullish right now on the day. Wait, that's why we're bullish. This is the wrong contract. I was like, how the heck the chart is so different then? It's impossible. Okay, now it makes sense. Oh, okay. And then now it's different case. Okay. I'm liking this. I'm liking the idea of coming back short, guys. On 660, I come back short. Below until 170. Wait. Yeah, don't get filled right away. Let me see first how this evolves. Yeah. Did you see what I did stupid? Here I was like, oh, it looks bullish, but the freaking contract was the previous contract. So dumb. I'm gonna wait a little bit before looking for shorts or longs. As I just wanna see this ES holding on the lows. Maybe it's, 43, that we're very close to create the 50 minutes range. Hey, let me just take it out from yesterday. What is it yesterday? Here. Come, move lower. Move in my side. Okay, nice. Okay. So right now, I don't like it. I'm gonna wait for this 50 minutes range, guys, to close. How is it going, guys? Are you holding? For the moment, it's a bit of a shitty area right now. Below these 200s, I'm definitely not very long bias, but if we go back about again the 200s, we might look again for longs. And look at that, 44. For the moment, I wait. Yes, I like the idea of waiting. No rush. We don't have to rush, right? Especially in my case, if the scalping right now I'm doing, if I wait the right time and I get 2-3 good scalps, I'm done on the day. I'm really done on the day. Thank you, Payout. Thank you, guys. I'm finding myself more confident with this new strategy. I want to scalp. I'm not looking to hold these things for many points. Having a right stop loss, I can give it a little bit of wiggle room to play. And my stop loss, my loss can be definitely will be higher than my average win, but I will try to have a very high win rate. And having a very high win rate gives me a little bit more confidence because I see more times winning trades than losing trades, and it's just easier mentally for me. So right now we're back above the 200s. Look at that, and the 50 minutes candle is closed, and this can be interesting, guys, because outside this 50 minutes range, it's also a retest of this area of pre-market high, of London high. This is no, it isn't pre-market high. This is yesterday. So this is a beautiful area to play longs. This 220, 30 here, beautiful area to play longs. Until then, 200s are getting rejected. Done for the day. Good, my friend. Call yourself out right now, Tomato, or I punch yourself. I'm gonna punch you. I'm gonna punch you. I'm gonna make you regret. Huh? I don't even aim for a dollar amount. You don't have to aim for a dollar amount. Your green days are not the problem. I should make an interview with you, Tomato, one day. Put it here. And we speak about emotions, triggers. No. I mean, I won't give myself a profit target, not even points target. Everything, I will, but it's dependent on strategy again. Everything changes by strategy and personality. I think Tomato's chart has nothing. I believe Tomato chart has only view up. It does not have any indicators. I believe it does not have anything. It's really just price action guy. See, I know Tomato. I know our Tomato here he trades only that. Guys, we're looking for the break of this high here, and this 200 is holding right now. We're above 200. We're breaking now the 50 minutes range. It's coming, and I'm gonna look for the retest of 230 here, 220. Yeah. I mean, that is an indicator, but let's say it's not. It's I will not even call it as an indicator, to be honest. The volume, it's just more information of the candle, not on the fact that you're trying to find an average or stuff like that. Yeah, now it's pushing. Yeah, now it's getting. I'm looking for that. Look at this market is insane, huh? What's the word? Yo, Wolfie gains. And now we're looking for a continuation higher. I like this. I like this market. I like this. I like this. I like this idea of retesting with 230, but I just want to see first a closing candle above. ES is looking strong. We're coming back above. Now this is a nice push. This is a nice push. We're ready. But if I go here, I'm looking for the highs. Yes, we can go for that. I can definitely go for that. We're long. I'm long, guys. Let's see. Let's see if I'm gonna get screwed by this. And this is a fake out. Is this gonna be a fake out, guys? It is faking me out right now. It's faking me out. I'm out. I'm out. This was a mistake. Look at it. I did not wait for this candle to close, and I knew I was gonna get myself in a freaking shitty trade without waiting for this candle to close. Now I'm even more short biased with this fake out. Fake out of pre-market high, fake out of the 50 minutes range. We're gonna go for shorts at 200s. I'm gonna maybe get screwed right away, but I like this short right now more than anything. More than anything. We're closing nicely a bearish candle here after taking the highs on this 50 minutes range. Okay, we're already out. My candles are stacked. Yeah, that was dumb as hell, guys. It was dumb as hell. I was like, wait for the 3 minutes candle to close to show some consistency, and I did not wait. And that's the mistake I've done here. I took my loss. I could have called it a little bit before. The moment we did not hold and switch this candle red to green to red, I could have called it. But thanks God, I call myself out. And that is the power I have. I think I have a good power of calling myself out. Because many people will go along here and hold this shit. And we are here to check on that, my friend. You have to really right now work on that strength of bringing your accounts to be alive for longer than a few days. If you bring your account to, that's what I always tell you. Focus on making the account survive. So at the end of the month, you can have real data of like, okay, how I trade makes money, how I trade does not make money. Okay, we're again trying to hold. The shit is shitty price action, guys. Shitty price action. Shitty price action. Look at that. Oof. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 50 minutes range to come out from this shit. Absolutely insane. Will my 230 will work out as a test? No, but really, but to be honest, tomato is Nick said it correctly. Many times we do shit because of triggers that we think are something that is coming from past traumas or anything. So many times if we have this handle it is better. Like the reason behind an emotions is an emotion comes for a certain trigger, a certain reason. But let's say, now your goal is to bring your discipline as well to be comfortable in a scenario where you see red days, red trades, comfortable of being like, yes, I've done my best. I could not beat the market today. The market was not in my side. The market will be in my side maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. Maybe I will see red days for the next month and blow up my account. But the beauty of it when you blow up your account following your rules is that you end with so relaxed mindset. I swear to you, when you blow up the account by following your rules, you love yourself. You really love yourself. You don't hate yourself. You love yourself. I cannot do better than that. But now I know that maybe the strategy is the problem, not me. Because me, I'm doing a mess, everything. Yeah, it can be anything, right? Like Nick said. Yeah. Guys, what the fuck is this market doing? Yeah. For me, like for example, let's say that sentence there. I'm on 5 green days. Literally, I was speaking with a guy about this, and we started the day before trading, and he will tell me, today let's do it. It's gonna be a great winning day. And every time I was telling him, I don't know if it's gonna be a winning day or not. Let's trade as the best as we can. No expectation, no anything. You trade your best, and then whatever comes. But if you have that expectation of like, I need to have green, then when you are not green, you're not in the state of mind of being acceptance. But if you're if you instead you come to the day and you're like, it can be red today. The only things I have to follow my rules. When it's red, you're like, that's okay. I said it to myself before. I could have been red. Score your trades on execution. Process is winning. Winning is not. Profit is not winning. Profit is not winning. Process is winning. Profit is not winning. Profit is not winning. Process is winning. Zero. I think there is no benefit to have your PNL in the screen. I show it in my live stream here, just because it's a live stream, but I wouldn't even show it. So if you know what you're risking, you know that you cannot even blow your account, because if you hit your 2 consecutive red rates, the only things I will use it just if you have a max loss and you don't have a trigger of max loss, you just use it for that. But even for that, you know, if you have 2 consecutive losses, you're out or free. Guys, we're fucking coming back when I play. I answer question. I know average payout is different from WealthChart there to protect you with all Apex rules. No, not all Apex rules, but that is one of the main rules. The 30% threshold signals tell you, for example, you cannot lose more than this on an open trade, because you will mess up losing more than 30% on an open position. It's not every rule, but that is one of the main rules. Then that is a great one. But the 30% does not trigger you, does not liquidate you. It's just there to tell you, look, below this candle, you're breaking the rule. You're breaking the rule. So just don't be close to it. Don't be close to that indicator. Especially if you're losing 30% of your account in one trade, there is one thing. You're very bad at risk management, because it means you're losing one account with one. You're losing the account with 3 trades. That's very bad. Guys, what the heck is doing this market? But I think as well, tomato, you know, it's really, I think what is as well one thinks of you is that you never had, is when you start, when you understand statistic and you understand that losing is normal, trading becomes so not easy on a way that of become super profitable, but it becomes so easy on stress level. I can have like days now, and I don't. It does not trigger me. It triggered me last Friday because I broke my strategy. You know, I did not wait. I FOMO it and stuff like that. That's But when you start to have red days, trading becomes so easy. You can go to speak with people and say, yeah, today I had a red day. That's fine. Let's see tomorrow. Yeah, today I had a green day, but tomorrow I can lose it. It becomes so softer. Yeah, it's a shitty day. Look at me. I'm not taking any action right now. And for example, let's say a day like this, tomato. A day like this for you is not great. You're like a very a day where you need big volume in one direction and you make money, bam bam. So, and you get a day like this, and you get a day like this, and statistically speaking, you can have days like this. It's normal, right? So when you look at this and you're like, okay, you know what? This is normal. I can have days like this. And my goal right now is to protect myself from days like this. I cannot be green today, or maybe I can be a little bit green or break even. But maybe it's the day where I protect myself. I call myself out. I'm like, tomorrow is another day. It's that's really, I think online we get destroyed by people having a month all green. 2 months all green, and they say, I had my month all green. I had my entire month green. Yeah, okay. I don't care. You trade what you trade. I trade what I trade. Your strategy is different than my strategy. Your statistic is different than my statistic, and most of you are fake. But yes. And how do you protect your own account by choppy days? By focus on process, focusing on risk management, focusing on the standard fix we always speak about. You're never gonna blow up an account if you do that. Never. And as well, really, the fact of, for example, Tomato, you are very good at volatility and make money. That means that the first 30 minutes is the place where you make money, right? The first 30 minutes. It sounds like that. I have a friend that trades only the first 30 minutes. Maybe you're the same type of person, right? Why the fuck are you trading later on? It's not your habitat. It's not there is no volume. You're not trading in your home correct place. There was one place they said, if you're fishing in a lake and you're fishing in a corner of a lake, and you know that every day when you go to that piece of part of lake, you throw the aim and you take one fish out, and you know that every day where you're not gonna do that, you're gonna take the fish and move on. Why the heck are you a greedy person to move to the other side of the lake where you don't know what the heck is happening, right? You know, then you're greedy. You're looking at the rest of the lake, and you're like, oh, it's a big lake. I can take other fishes. But you know that part of the lake is where you know you perform the best because you're gonna take a fish every day. The same here in the market. Underlying reason, yeah. For some reason you still do it. Now I can look for longs at 230 if it comes back. Hopefully. If not, if it breaks this retest area, 230 would be nice to be retested. Is this 50 minutes range? What is the reason? What is the reason? Hey. I would love this 50 minutes range to be retested. 230 here. I would be happy to go long. I have time to do that. I'm not gonna rush it. What is the reason? And you look at the profit. Then you look at the profit again there. You want to see? Yeah, that's why I don't like targets. That's why before you said, oh, for me, I am $200 and I'm done. Why you put a target? You don't freaking know the day to put a target. Why $200? Why $500? Why $300? Why you put a target? Then you're basing yourself again in profit. That's why I don't like people when say, I have a target, I have a minimum to make, I have something to make. Every day is different. A day like maybe tomorrow you have a day where the candles move 100 points and then you make $2,000 in a day. Don't even try again to use it as an example. No, I'm just joking. Let me go. I have to go to the toilet, guys. Coming back. Coming back. Ah man, ma tomato. If I had your skills of making money. We should merge. Let's make a Dragon Ball merge. Me, I'm Vegeta, you're Goku. We merge. We make money. Money. Ooh, 300s are here above. Let me check the hour chart here. No, 300s. This is 330, 310. 300s are here. The opening range break is 230. This can be an interesting 240, 50. Can be a quicker test. Here it pushed. Hold it here. Resistance. Pushed here as well. Not really. I mean, 230 would be the best. Shorting at 320. Yeah, today was the bad idea of. I did not freaking wait for this candle to close. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I know. Yeah. It's a shitty career, guys. It's a freaking shitty career. Hands down, is one of the shittiest career ever. So it really goes to kick you mentally, emotional wise. It starts to really, when the day you really become profitable as a trader, I believe your brain is like freaking next level. I mean, it's a shitty career on a way that is, it's not the career you think it is. As I mean, the moment you become profitable, it's an amazing thing. You know your mental power is much stronger. Your discipline is another level. You're a totally different type of human. But to get there is one of the shittiest things to ever. You know, you're going through it. We're going through it. Everyone is going through it. We know. It's one of the shittiest things ever to do. The Big Short, I watched some random clips left and right, but not really the entire movie, I think. Anxiety and depression. I do believe, for example, look, if you start to make money from trading, and you finally move to trading becoming more boring than exciting, then I think it does not, anxiety and depression, they get reduced a lot. But for the first year, until you don't get to that mental level, it's hard. That's why 95% of the people leave, don't never become profitable. Guys, I know people I spoke about, they're down $200,000 because they never learn from their mistake. They keep doing the same things. You tell them what can be the problem, but they keep doing the same things over and over again. Look in this 230 here, 200, even 240. Oh no, this is a freaking yes. 230, 40, 240 can be a ready one there. It's yeah, the trading is one of the hardest things to do, because on a difficult day, you're not going home saying, today I did not make money. You're going home saying you lost money. You're negative. You did not make money in the day. You lost money. So that's why it's freaking hard as a career. I'm looking for these 240 are interesting, guys. I'm gonna take a 240 buy there as well. 230 will be my things. 220 I'm out. Terrible price action. I'm gonna get filled right now. So now I'm filled long, guys. Okay, I'm gonna get destroyed probably. So if I lose by these, I'm gonna lose much more than that. Oh, okay, I'm filled both long already. Wow. I'm already filled long on all of them. Okay, hopefully you can get a bounce here. Or at 220, I will be out already. Let's get 5 points out, then I will look to re-enter again if I get it, 35. Yes, okay. And long again. Okay, I'm gonna call myself out quick. This 220. Okay, oof. On the limit, guys. Let's see if this is gonna bounce here or I'm gonna get screwed. It's right now trying to go back. Wow. Okay, I'm out from these 2 contracts. Maybe I'm gonna close it in a red day today. Yeah, I'm gonna probably close it on a red day. I'm looking at this price action, how it evolves. Out, and I'm gonna accept my losing day. I'm not gonna trade anymore. I'm done. Price action is not on my favor. I'm gonna accept my loss. I'm not gonna push it more than this. This is easy catchable. I don't like it. I don't like it. We're closing I will close there below the 50 minutes range. I'm out. Not even a freaking bounce at 230 opening range. I'm out. I'm not gonna make it bigger today. Price action sucks. We give back the profit of yesterday. It is what it is. I think she's hot. What a bullshit price action today. Yeah, I'm happy to call it. Usually, yeah, today sucks. Look at that. I'm happy today. I'm honestly very happy for how I traded. Nice keep scalp 200 here. The only mistake I would say is this one. Did not wait for this candle to close. I looked for longs right away on this 50 minutes range. Called myself out, took a short at 200s, come back again here, try to get this long at 230, and very nice call myself out from this loss. This was already quite a few more points, so I'm very happy with it. So trading, I think as a trading today, I will give myself a 6.5. Only this one gives me less points. This one could have been that. I don't know if this one I think is a good pre-market high. Pre-market high, 50 minutes range. Good place to take a quick scalp there. It's just not the day. Not freaking the day. That sucks. Even right now, if I had to take something, I would probably switch my mentality again to short, but then I don't like it anymore when I'm trying just switching long to short all the time here. It doesn't make sense. Guys, again, remember to leave a like to the video and 80% off with Apex. Yeah, I'm gonna call it like that. I don't want to even stay here watching this shit. And that is the point, guys. Many times you have to get, if you don't like this shit, call it. I like always tell you, don't stay here suffering and punching yourself on this. There is no need to suffer watching these things. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty. So yeah, I'm gonna probably call it soon. Say when? Say when? Who are you? Because you are moderator, so means I put you moderator. Who are you? Who you check? It's what the heck? Mufti? What the heck? Mufti the back. Mufti is back with the. No, you're not. Are you Mufti? Yeah, I was like, yeah, who's the guy? I was like, he's moderator. So means I put him. He changed his name. Lambo one. Lambo Mufti. Ah, okay. Mufti with the T. Lambo the next year, guys. Yeah, I'm happy with the loss today, guys. I'm very happy, to be honest. It could have been much worse, and I'm very happy. I took 2 losing trades, and it did not work out. Nightmare Trading. You have the best name here. Nightmare Trading. You came in the right day. You came in the right day. Yeah, I'm gonna call it, guys. Freaking, I don't want to stay here watching this shit. Have a beautiful day, guys. See you tomorrow during the live stream again. Remember, 80% is there with Apex. That's my name and discount. For the rest, guys, I'm gonna call it. I don't want to trade this shit. I'm gonna want to stay here, and it's as well for the best for you. Leave it, and we trade tomorrow. Fuck this price action. It's for real. See you guys. Peace and love.